Good morning, Colorado. I hope everybody had a great weekend. I was very grateful that nothing happened on 9/11, and my thoughts and prayers for all the people who lost loved one and family members during that tragedy. And we need to keep them in our thoughts and prayers all the time. Today's Colorado Mortgage Home Loan rate update is for Monday, the 9th or the 12th of September, and I'm Randy Flood, the only certified mortgage coach in the state of Colorado. In the rates go up category, nothing really to report. The rates go down category, however, the PIIGS bank could fail. Now, what is PIIGS? It's Portugal, Italy, Ireland, Greece, and Spain, and especially Greece. And I'll talk about that in a few minutes. Also, the Dow is also down about 300 points. Here's a scary quote from Carl Weinsberg, chief economist. The European Central Bank will have to buy a dominant position in all PIIGS bond markets, sterilize those purchases by absorbing cash, and then return the cash to the banks in long-term repos. Basically, I think what's going to end up happening, a lot of people in Europe are going to take their money out of the banks and put it under the mattress where they think it's going to be safe. Here's what's going on in the mortgage-backed securities, and as I've been saying, we've been trading in a very narrow range, as you can see here. On Friday, we did break above 102. I wish we had gone a little bit higher. And today, we're actually below that, but that's primarily due to the bond rollover. Although we've been trading very flat in the mortgage-backed securities, the 10-year Treasury bonds have been trading very aggressive. It's a very upward trend, and that's positive because, with that, we'll have lower interest rates as this continues. This is what the other mortgage market timing services are recommending. Rate alert. If you're closing within 7 days, lock it, otherwise go on and float. And they see a lot of volatility, and so do I. And the daily rate lock advisory, they're more conservative. If you're closing within 20 days, they're recommending locking. I go with the recommendation of rate lock, or rate alert. In summary, the Dow is down, plus it's down 600 points since Obama's speech. I'm not necessarily blaming Obama, but once again, the other stimulus packages haven't worked. Plus, I don't think the Republicans are going to get on board, and I think we're going to keep on struggling. Jürgen Stock resigns. I put this in red because that's very crucial, because he was the European Central Bank economist, and he was disagreeing with how they should handle the Greece problem. And Germany is taking steps to help protect against the Greek default. Now, the default could cost $1.5 trillion, $1.5 trillion, and that's 2.5 times the size of the Lehman losses. So you can see that this is very significant. And not only do we have this problem, I keep on mentioning, we have Portugal, we have Italy, we have Ireland, and we got Spain. All of Europe is in a total mess right now, and that's going to keep rates low. And I did mention that we did break above 102 on Friday. We have over $66 billion worth of auctions this week, to include a large one for the 10 years. And I expect lower interest rates due to all the European problems, plus our own economic woes. So in other words, when the economies are bad, that means lower rates for all of us. Now, the thought of the day: consistency will lead you to being in the right place at the right time. Some people say, hey, you were fortunate that you were just there. Well, if you properly plan and you execute on a daily basis, that's not luck. That's called preparation. Now, if you have any questions as far as Colorado home buying or refinancing your Colorado mortgage, definitely call me anytime. I'm available 24/7. And I would appreciate it if you would go on and like and also share this information with others, because it is crucial and you're not going to be getting it anywhere else. And as always, only wanting the best for you. Take care.